How was your experience in your machinery acquisition with dimaes?
It was good.
Okay.
Easy.
Yeah. Why you trust on dimaes as machinery supplier?
You guys are, responsive.
Hmm?
You guys respond pretty quickly to the emails and they answer the questions
Okay.
promptly. It's good.
What did you look? Do you like most about the purchasing process with dimaes? Yeah.
It was mostly Earl that did the purchasing. I'm pretty sure he liked it. You'd have to ask him, but it was good.
How secure did you feel your investment when you bought from us?
I'm guessing it was secure.
Yeah.
Once again, Earl did that, but I'm pretty sure it was secure.
Okay. How would you rate the service and the attention of our engineers from the purchase to the installation and training?
An A.
An 8? Okay.
No, an A or a 10 out of 10.
A 10? Okay, thanks. How likely is that you will decide to buy again with dimaes?
As long as the price is good.
Okay. How likely are you to recommend us and why?
Highly likely. It was good. Probably, like I said, the service was good. The email, answering the questions on the email was good, prompt.
Okay. Do you have any suggestion or proposal for the improvement?
No, everything was good, I think.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah.